let's ride on. Umutobo. You know, the Onitsha main market issue is dominating the airwaves. So people are missing the good news that broke today. It looks like a week of woto for this IPOB BSM bandits. They no go rest this week. Yeah. Serious wahala. Serious problem. Body don't deter them. Body don't deter them. Please, I'm calling on the federal government to put a camera in Nnamdi Kanu's room. We are hearing that he has access to phone there. Yes. We are hearing he has access to phone there. He may be the one that is orchestrating all these things. You see the rally that happened in Abia State, all of those things, the way he was doing it. Now, you know why they were crying, shouting for the federal government to transfer him to Kuje prison. That time he was still going to court. Can you people, I'm not seeing the comments. I'm not seeing the comments. Okay, the comment is up now. My people, if you are watching, don't be just sitting down. They will start reporting this thing and it will go down. You will not be able to enjoy it. And if it goes down, me, I not get strength to the fight their reports. You need to be commenting. Those comments helps with that grading. Where you are not commenting and you know the bingos are reporting. So even the comments and all these things will be countering it. You know, there are many of them, their job is, they can't even comment to you because they know if they comment, you block them. They will just be there to be reporting. So don't give them that space. And that's welcome. Thank you so much. So, my people, these criminals, their leader, I heard he has access to phone. I'm sure he must be the one orchestrating all these things. Yes, the government needs to go to, maybe in the morning, I will do a short video on it. When I finish, I will send it to those I will send it to. In fact, they should transfer him from that Sokoto prison. Send him to Kainji. Send him to military detention in Kainji. All these, they are jamboree. They are going there to do. To the point they are not even quarreling on who will go, who will not go, who is making money from it, who is not making money from it. Nnamdi Kanu monetized in the Igbo, so his fellow criminals have monetized him too. No honor amongst thieves. No honor amongst thieves. So they are monetizing Nnamdi. The way Nnamdi monetized in the Igbo, so he should not be angry that there isn't to make money. Those visits, they need to stop it. Okay? They need to curtail it. Whomever you are, this is a terrorist and it's a peculiar case. We will not allow all this nonsense. So today, my people, they don't knock him another Akpaku. Yes. They don't knock him. Sokoto continues. He must remain in Sokoto and he must buy there. He is not going anywhere. Shebi Ona talk say for that place, say that they treat him like king. Then they bow that, why you want to come out there? He did not the show. He did not the show paper that yes, he get AC for his hello. Oga Abubakar Sadiq Usman. I see you, sir. I hear say he get AC for there. So why would they put him such a privileged cell? Eh? Why would they put him there? The in charge of the Sokoto prison must be questioned. Let me block one also. Abubakar Sadiq Usman. This one Sadiq Abubakar Sadiq. How many accounts? Adekula Adebayo, I see you. They need to go and search that his cell. Okay? If he leaves Sokoto prison, he should be transferred to Katsina. Make it there near Ishi Buhari. Let him go and bring that Ishi Buhari. Oh, you want to remove him from northern Nigeria without bringing that Ishi Buhari? It's a lie. He must bring that Ishi Buhari. He must bring that Ishi Buhari. Umutobo. Oh, they are bowing down for him. All the prisoners, in fact, when he's walking, they want him to step on them. They are treating him as a king. Oh, he is teaching them. And don't I want to come out? Why? Why I want to come out for them now? Shebi they treat him as king of Sokoto. Now him be the new sultan, right? Umutobo. Ndebu achara brain. Oga there. Nobody will remove him from there. Eba akogi bichandoya. Janjaweed Caliphate, Abi, he must remain in the capital of the Caliphate. Oga atona Caliphate. Oh, now in Takalami still there here. I never send them. Even the kettle, all of them there here. You know, say, I've been the wait, make we know whether they want carry am go casino or Zamfara. I know one situation whereby I go send the thing, he go reach Sokoto, they say they don't transfer him. Now when they don't confirm am, say he go take for there. Now when you don't sure, say the Utobo go take for there. And man say full at 40. I'm pushing 41 now. Update your talking point. Update your talking point. Okay. Body don't they tell them. Don't be say body go tell them. Body don't they tell them. For them to find process. Say, I beg, no show us the law again. They don't learn. They tell them, say, no. The earliest you can get a degree in Nigeria is 4 years. So, you people should pray for him to finish his degree, his first degree, 4 years. Now, me, I don't know whether that law, he go study. You know, say that one go come tell. If na law, he go study there, he go tell. You go put strike. Put ASU strike. Put all this union strike. Come add with all those unforeseen circumstances for Nigeria University. If not that one, if you take 9 years, 9 years, now you go take am. Then you go come do masters. You understand? DSS na secondary school you go. Now I make I can say I can't get Port Belle. You can't get Port Belle. And look, you don't know, say now preparation of Shege Banza. Preparation of Shege Banza. Somebody say 4 years depending on how smart this. No, smartness or no smartness, if na law, if you can't face some courses, you go use 50 years old. So make it a chop am there. Nnamdi, Sanjima. Enjoy your stay in Sokoto. Stop deluding yourself into believing they will bring you to this Abuja. I told you before the conviction that I don't want to see you in my city. You see this my Abuja, where Ijele they manage my life. I no one make people say tomorrow then they gather. Protest. Na Ego Square. Na Ministry of Justice. Na may them go there. Campaign for Sokoto there. I want make una show dedication. Shebi una so una go follow una leader to everywhere. No be today the market they shall show me the law. Go to Sokoto and be shouting over there. Go shout it over there. You will make more impact. Then go no say true on a day formidable. Ramadan na February. Yeah. Ramadan, you see all this on a visit. See, They need to implement every Ramadan measure. Okay? No be Ramadan season, person go dey carry food up and down. They say they want go, they give one with Togo, one or two. Please, he must observe his fasting. You see this, he must observe his fasting. No food for him until the sun goes down. He's free to eat very early in the morning. You understand? Making the break. No, I go to chop Ramadan food. All this evening dinner. Kai, Alhaji Sagir Mohammed. Alhaji Sagir Mohammed. Tell Aisha. You know, say you never go breakfast with a Muslim before. If you don't breakfast with them, you go know how then they serve food. Variety. You go see many the way they no. But as a lemon, now they know say you won't go different. They go fry pop for them. You understand? You go carry a plate, start for line. Dege gamza kunu ba sugar. Dege gamza kunu ba sugar. There is nothing I won't pay. There is nothing I won't pay to watch where they carry plate up. Dege gamza kunu ba sugar. Dege gamza kunu ba sugar. Now what thing you go to sing? Body go tell am. Make I know here, please. There should be the intelligence at the Sokoto prison should be contacted. The NSA. This is not just the Ministry of Interior. We are getting reports that Nnamdi Kanu is making calls, and it is not the usual calls they are making there. Meanwhile, they should restrict him to one phone call every week. One phone call every week. He will be calling people, and you think he's talking to his lawyers. He is speaking to people that are orchestrating all this nonsense. Okay? Are you understanding me? They should. You say where you learn the. All of us now former students. All of us now so former students. And for every prison I learn them. I go show these people. Now course I go refresher course. Because me I know I see the work there now. When people give me the information, I know say yes, true, Nnamdi Kanu they use phone. Now I make them they orchestrate all this nonsense way they see. Yes. So we appreciate the Ministry of Justice. We appreciate our judge. He said, please visit him. Definitely I go visit him now. Definitely I will visit him. I go there. I don't buy his. Make I sure. No being kept to be this. Dust to door, you want to gather dust. Now kept to I put them for outside. Now kept to what I buy for them. See in Takami. Brand new. Make I see for me. Brand new. One them go Pazenu no Caesar Patrioti. Never no Caesar Patrioti. Brand new, see am. Never even open them. Tear leather. We go. We ready for demo. Now what the visits they come. Now because I know 1 year say we send something to them. By the time go read, they don't transfer them. So it's now obvious that he's just starting his 9-year course over there. Okay? So we go there. We go our own visit. No worry. Don't worry, okay, man. It go happen. It go really happen. So, my people, that's on that aspect. Now, let's discuss the closure of the Onitsha main market. And the last one I just posted, which is the person they buy. The two people self, not one person. Do you know, in order to frighten people not to come out, these guys went and removed somebody ishi, kafa, ori, head, comot am, throw away for roadside, write something for cardboard, paste there, saying a warning. Because people don't want to obey their enforced sit at home. One more thing you should pay attention to is this. These guys have been saying they don't know who are the people enforcing their own sit at home order they issued. But right now, they are the ones telling the governor, threatening the state with violence. Ngozi Oraigbo is the number one. Chinasa Nwuru. Shebi una say no be the same people. Shebi una say no be the same Alhaji the real cow Fabi. On how many issues have you seen the camp of Simon Ekpa and Chinasa Nwuru agreeing? But both of them agree on these things. On this one. They are now coming out. Go and check on AIT on any of my pages you are watching me for, except on the Undiluted Truth. I posted my own submission on AIT today. Then you have a bunch. Wait, let me even show you people the head where they come out first. Make you not be like say I just the talk. Make I show now. Why is this in the talk? Let me show you guys. Oh, I did not forget, not remember. Where is it? You see this video? I will play it. I will remove. Let me even share it in our Telegram channel first. I want two people together. I don't want to show it in order not to be struck for violation. Go and check the Telegram page, Ijele Speaks Remix. You will see the video that I'm trying to post right now. Where is the video? Oh, where is this video? Okay, see it here. No, what I'm trying to put a title there. Yes, I'm sharing the video now. I've just shared it. Who they insult Odogwata? Yeah, you don't fail now. You go collect ban first. You don't collect her. So my people, I've just shared the video, but let me play it. Let me play the video here. I won't show the issue. See the warning. You see the head. You see the head there? Maybe they see the head. I know I'm making too short. They see the head. Now the head with that. And person call they use leg, they kick person head when they cut. Make them find out the identity of this person where they come out in Nishi. Yeah. Then you see the second man they buy. I see the second man they buy. Are you seeing it? Have you seen it? So, in order to force people to sit at home, they now buy two innocent people that did them nothing. A society that has self-respect for itself should never tolerate this. It's because we've lost respect for ourselves. The pride is gone. Every day we are inching closer to total slavery. The only thing remaining is where they will be transporting you is like open one, chattel slavery. Because if it's about human organ trafficking, Nasaratin for there. Human lives have no meaning. Let me block one Ozu. People have allowed a bunch of jobless criminals to dictate to them because they promised you they will get you a new country without you asking how is that possible. This is God. I'm sure many people have gone to watch that video. See the faces of those people. Their families have been thrown into mourning now because a bunch of criminals want to force people to sit at home. How did we degenerate to this? Just if you type Ijele Speaks Remix on Telegram, you will see it. t.me/Ijele Speaks Remix. Just type Ijele Speaks Remix. If you type only Ijele Speaks, you will see the old one that's no longer functional. Type Ijele Speaks Remix so you will see what these people did. Removing human heads just to frighten the people. You see? Instigate violence today in Onisha. Of course, I saw the video. We block another also. I saw the video. The Anambra state government, you see, if government wants to end all this nonsense, they have the capacity. You see how fastly they close down that market. And if they are going to bring out the police, what's this about leaving police only a couple of minutes? No, let the police be permanently stationed there. Anybody that confronts them, by the person immediately. Do not aim at the legs. No, aim at the head and chest. Show them pepper and the rest will not come out. They think you're joking. These are a bunch of useless, brainless people. Blockheads. Frozen brains. The only thing they understand is violence. Okay? Let me block this Yozu. You are watching Ibunegi with one eye. As mate or what? If they call my full names as what? Me and you na mate? Idiot. fully set of people. Comment again, let me see. The police should be out there in the street. You shouldn't tolerate this rubbish. They are now trying to incite violence, and they will use the opportunity to loot people's shops and say, oh, it's because the government locked it. Ijele can well done. My Susan Ide Williams, my new telegram is Ijele Speaks Remix. When you type Ijele Speaks Remix, you will see the video is there. I just posted it. You block another out. NEPA. Don't worry, the electricity will soon come. If it doesn't, I've already done what I want to do. Which kind of nonsense? National grid don't collapse again. Now so collapse, they collapse like who wouldn't punch. So my people, these guys have given you no other option than to fight back, and we applaud the move by Governor Soludo. But one thing we are begging is this: please do not punish the people too severely. Closing the market in Onitsha is a very, very difficult thing to do, and whenever it happens, it touches everybody. Just that over the years, because of this brainwash of Biafra, people are now comfortable with closing markets in Onitsha. And not just main market. Many of these people that came to cause this problem in Onitsha said they are rioting in the name of protest. Some of them, most of them are not even from main market. Look at those people. Do they look like people that trade in main market? Here and in Buka. Now people from the spare parts market. Next week, the governor should also visit Mbuka, because they are now making noise on social media. Oh, it's only at main market they will try it. Oh, you are calling for it? Are you seriously calling for it? Because that Mbuka, they can close it for 1 month. Main market got the warning of 1 week, because main market, normally you don't know them people from main market as touts and riffraff. So if those people, as touche as they are, got 1 week, Mbuka may get 1 month. Respect yourselves, because you may actually find that thing you are looking for. That thing you are looking for, you may actually find it in abundance. You have nothing to withstand the government, and if they lock it down, you can't do jack. Let me block one also. My people, don't let these useless people that don't own shops, they don't even have anything, will be creating problems for the breed traders. Some are the people from all this Opiweke area trying to incite violence. Once there's violence, they will loot all the shops there. The security people, the law enforcement. I don't know if the commissioner of police even understands the situation, because why would you withdraw your men after a few hours and allow these criminals to be running amok in the street? They should identify as many people as possible, pick them up and throw away the key after locking them up. At least let them spend 2-3 years. Then they will learn how to exist in an organized society. So they are in support of these people they buy. Look at that young boy they beheaded. That guy is not up to 21 years. Just wasted him like that. Umuozu. Very stupid set of people. One police there, none of them came out to Omumpama. Actions and pleading for second chance. Not they no born and when you will never get any other chance. It's over. His life as he knew it before now is over. He will never walk free again. If the government tries it, they will have a revolution on their hands, and you can't throw the country into turmoil because of one criminal. If for anything else, me personally go buy am. So it's not good to use the extrajudicial means when you can use the judicial means to solve this issue. You see all this noise where they make? Had they given the Kanu firing squad and carry it out, nothing will still happen. They can't do shit. Umutobo will not do shit. Now people will, now because people keep quiet. If you hammer them, they will run. They no burn any of them well. That is why a true civilian JTF is what is going to stop this violence. Go after each and every one of them. Okay? Go after each and every one of them. Supporters, so the bloggers, so buy these people. Hand the guns to all the people that have lost their family members and loved ones to this criminality, and you, by the time you paint the town blood with their red with their blood, 1 month this will end. This fire has gone on for so long, and it is going to destroy the entire farm. And instead it will burn the entire farm, you will use a control bomb. Okay? See what I mean by a control bomb? For instance, I've given this analogy multiple times. The surface of this plastic is your farm. Then there is fire here, this small hole. And this fire is threatening to engulf your entire farm. You now create a distance between this side and this side, which is, you start a fire from here now to burn here. The whole circumference of the farm, if the fire starts from here, burn here. You see, you have set fire to your farm here, but eventually you save the rest of your farm, because this fire here is threatening the existence of your farm. This is how control burn works. That is how we should be controlling this violence. You fight it with controlled violence. Oh, this one are the politicians. We want threatening position of governor because he want to use these people as if they go come out for house, go come back that day. In fact, they no go see him again. You try with the two politicians, the rest will run away. These are cowards, we know them. These are cowards. You don't need to soil your hand with their tainted blood. No. You give it to the people who have lost their family members. Set up an army of victims and send it after these people. Yes. Nobody exacts revenge more than a victim. The best person to exact revenge is the victim. Anything else will be people that may not understand because they are not directly affected. Our people, when they are not directly affected over an issue, they don't care. It doesn't bother them. Okay? Very useless. All of you will be dealt with. Abu Rashid, I'm holding you. All of you will be dealt with. We have tolerated this for so long. For far too long, the people have been quiet. I told you people, the governors can end this thing in an instance. They never still let me, they bring people on. The governors can end these shenanigans in an instance. No, the police, most of all those policemen are just civil servants transferred. Their own job is to make sure they live to collect the next paycheck. Finish. They are not ideologically tied to what is happening there. So there are things they will not do. Utobo say finish man, Omo ed English. Omo ed English, Utobo. Bunch of illiterates. That's why you thought a foolish Brixton Baba will get you a new country out of Nigeria. See the type of thinking you people have. Utobo. Jobless people that have never held any job before. Show me that job Nnamdi Kanu held. Baba way in Bab for Brixton. You know, get anything. Yes, now person need the Bab for the help. MC wey him do, no let children MC go do finish, they go give am extra meat, give am take away food, party rice wey go carry go meet the Ghana woman wey keep am for house, they feed am for UK. Yes. No be the Ghana woman they feed am. Before Wazurike marry Uchechi for am. Other than that, he was a failed Yahoo guy. Just like his father. If his father did not fail, how come when Nnamdi Kanu and his brothers were going to school, they finished in school, they would go and meet their mother in another man's house? For how many years he wasn't living with the father? The other man carried and put her for house. Yes. Bunch of failures, all of them. Before Biafra, they were nobodies. After this Biafra thing now, they are still nobodies because they've always been a bunch of nobodies. The politicians they are working for are the ones propping them up. Their very existence is a facade put up by the politicians. Okay? Now this one's on fight Nigeria. Yeah. This one say he's from a royal family. No be Jews or Kalu make him create autonomous community for their village, make him father king. Go ask. Before Jews or Kalu became the governor of Abia State, there was nothing like a king in Afaruku Ibegu. No Jews or Kalu give him type of office. You know, they never tell you. Okay, go ask your leaders. Tell them I said this, that they should debunk it openly. Oh, it's a royal. Which royal? Like, why didn't you hear about his father before IPOB? Why didn't you hear anything? Like, I don't need to tell you about the throne of Enugu. You don't see the family of Nwafo Orizu telling you that their father is a king. I've been at the Sami there, their own now. Have you heard anybody from the Achebe family in Onisha telling you that their family owns the custodians of the Onisha throne? How many times do you see the children of PCSM1 coming to tell you? Obosinko, a useless fraudster that was a catcher. Now me talk saying I be the war for Igwe and mother have been in fellow other people they talk am. No, can any of them come and debunk this thing? Ask the Ekpedimemane Kanu, he knows what I'm saying. Ezafara no be from their village. Even the title is no longer in their family. They are using government contact to hold it against the will of the people. Okay? Omocho. Have you asked and they told you it's a lie? Nda brono. No be Bristol in the live on a Brixton. Ghetto of UK, ghetto of London, one of the worst ghettos in the whole of United Kingdom, Brixton. And now for Peckham, the office day is just like moving from the old Orile to, and the office is in Ajegule. No be now we Orile don't find. That's the how low. That's the dirty bastard they used to destroy Alib. And they said, he's good in the UK. Schooled where? Let them bring his certificate. Umutobo. Mwashawo. Royalty bukwe unu. Umoso. Nye. Ewu mpe na-ere mmanụ na bottle. No offense to people that trade in red oil, but a retailer of red oil, how would they come and sell him to you, pass him off as a great man? Are you okay? The bylaw of the community said when the king passes, that the throne will now move to the next kindred, of which the thing is not supposed to be in Nnamdi Kanu's kindred, another part of Afaruku Ibeg. The man that was even supposed to be that hold that throne was just compensated with government position. This is a story all of us know. Umumpama. Useless man ka bebe kpopterun. Umuewu. Ndị gbuacha brain. Na common sense. My people, thank you so much for being a part of the program this evening. I will come back tomorrow morning for us to discuss the rest of the developing stories. And there are so many things I would have said. We made video on that I didn't, which I will do tomorrow. I love you all. Stay blessed.